Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the latest collection of Louis Vuitton. So all you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availabilities, just kindly check the website in your seats. Guys, I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, for today's episode, I'll be sharing the leaks for the upcoming Fall-Winter 2027 collection Part 2. So I will be sharing more photos once available, but kindly stay tuned and happy shopping everyone! So the very first one that we are going to discuss for today would be the Multipass. By the way guys, so the launch date of this one, please do stand by. But for the price is 3,350 USD. So the material of the Multipass is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is Saga Acajou. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. It would come with detachable leather strap for shoulder carry, and it would come with a longer chain strap as well. So as you can see, the Multipass has that very beautiful slouchy design of the calfskin leather. And of course, we have another colorway of the Multipass with same price of 3,350 USD. So materials calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway of this one now guys is called Monogram Rouge. It would come with detachable leather strap, and it would come with detachable leather chain strap. And as you're going to see close up, we are going to see the very minimal stamping. Of course, as you could see, it comes with detachable leather strap for crossbody feature as well. Then guys, another colorway of the Multipass with same price of 3,350 USD. We have SKU here of M3A149. So the material of this one guys is suede leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is Epiru. So it would come with detachable leather strap and detachable chain strap. So this is a closer view. So guys, I will just get more confirmation in the future whether this is a suede epi leather or it is just an epi leather. So next on the collection, so we have the Express PM Saga. So price at 4,350 USD. Materials calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is Monogram Rouge. It would come with detachable monogram strap. As we could see here, it would come with a key clochette that is also in monogram canvas, and it would come with lock and key feature as well. So this one guys, you could wear this one as a shoulder bag. So I guess because of the longer strap, perhaps you could wear this one as a crossbody bag. So next guys, we have another Express size PM, price at 4,350 USD. So materials calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is Bois de Rose. So again, apologies for the mispronunciation. It would come with detachable monogram strap, so for shoulder carry or even as a top handle, key clochette, lock and key set. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection, so going back to the Multipass,
price at 2,720. So the size of this one is mini. So calfskin leathers, the material with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is the monogram rouge, and of course, as you can see, it would come with detachable chain straps, so you could carry this one as a shoulder bag or even as a top handle carry. So this is a close-up view of the calfskin leather. It would come with detachable leather strap as well, so you could wear this one definitely as a crossbody style. So next, guys, this is one of the newer designs of LV from their fall winter 2026 runway Paris Fashion Week. So we have the speed pocket, size PM, so price at 5,850 USD. So the material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims, as you can see. So the outer bag is color noir, and then of course the inner bag is color gazon. Then of course it would come with S-lock for closure. I'm just hoping that the green bag is, you could fully remove it from the black bag on the outer part, because that would be so cool, right? So we have another speed pocket, size PM, price at 5,650 USD. So as you can see, the interior is now made of monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It has the S-lock for closure. Kind of reminds me of another LV bag. Of course, the outer part is the noir calfskin leather. I would love really that this bag would be fully detachable, the monogram canvas on the interior. Next, guys, we have this collection. We have the wild denim. So this is still under the fall winter 2027 collection. First, we have the Express MM, price at 4,650 USD. So again, wild denim collection. So monogram canvas trim. It would feature detachable monogram canvas straps, monogram clochette, and of course lock and keys. And it would come with gold hardware. So who is going to say yes to the monogram wild denim collection? So again, we have the very beautiful multi-pass size mini, price at 2,720 USD, still from the wild denim collection. So it would feature the monogram wild denim material with the monogram canvas trims. It would come, of course, with detachable monogram canvas strap. It would come with detachable chain strap as well, and it would come and feature the gold hardware. So next, on the wild denim collection, we have the pochette papillon. So this one is really cute. So price at 1,770 USD. So guys, please take note, and this is a smaller bag, so of course it may just fit, like for example, your lipstick, some bills, perhaps your keys, but I'm not really sure if a credit card or IDs would fit inside the pochette papillon. So this is still part of the wild denim collection under the fall winter 2027 collection. So next one, we have the Express Travel size GM. So price of this one is 5,000 USD. We have SKU here. So guys, I love the material of this one, the slouchy calfskin leather with monogram canvas trim. Colorway is the monogram rouge. It would come with detachable monogram canvas top handle and monogram straps, elongated straps, so you could carry this one as a top handle and even as a shoulder bag. Then of course, it would feature the gold hardware. So next on the collection, we are going to have the Papillon Travel 45. So if you want to, a different travel bag aside from Keepall, then go for this Papillon Travel 45. 9,750. So this is perfect, like for example, for your weekend getaway on some snowy mountain that you're planning to go to this December. Then of course, it would be made of mink fur. It would come with monogram canvas trim, colorways blanc, and of course it would come with elongated straps, so you could wear this one as a shoulder bag. So next, guys, we have another one. We have the Mal de Jour. This is really cute. So we have the price of 4,950 USD. We have SKU here. So the materials you can see is monogram canvas with vachetta or cowhide leather trims. And are going to notice that the vachetta leather strap is elongated, and of course it is fully adjustable, so definitely you could adjust it whenever you like. So happy shopping, everyone.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So hopefully you did, guys. So among the beautiful bag selection that I've shown you, which one is your favorite? Kindly comment down below. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramiro52. for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!